Hello and welcome to the Elementary Daily Dashboard Digital Planner for ZoomNotes. I'm Ellie, creator of Elementary Digital Stationery, and I'm going to be walking you through my new planner and showing you some of the fab features that it's got, including this kind of live dashboard whereby I can access my week, my month, my monthly tracker, all from this one page. You will need an iPad to use this planner, and you'll need the ZoomNotes app. So you can get the light version of the ZoomNotes app from the App Store, or you can make the one-time purchase from the App Store. Either way, it's a fab app and I highly recommend purchasing it. So I'll drop the link to this planner in the video description. It is an undated planner and it consists of this daily dashboard page. It's got a monthly spread. So if I just click on this link, it will take me to the monthly. So you've got one of those, and it's got 6 weekly pages like this with a vertical kind of layout and a horizontal overview. And so that's it. It's 39 pages long and it's completely undated, so you can just reuse it month after month. And the best part is I've done the setup for you, so all you need to do is change the dates in the page properties, and I'll include a video with the planner purchase of how you do that. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how the magical dashboard works. It's always going to show today's daily schedule in the middle here. So this area is always going to be the current date, and this will always be whichever week is relevant. There's only ever going to be 1 month, but again, that will automatically update. And this tracker also is pulled from the monthly page. And these are all hyperlinks, so I can click onto the tracker and it will take me to the actual page. And the binding rings on the kind of realistic paper there will always take you back to page 1, to the dashboard. So wherever I click, I can just always get back to my dashboard quite quickly. If I click on my weekly, because it takes me to the relevant week, and again I can click on my binder rings to take me back to the dash. So the thing I love about this planner is that I don't need to actually navigate to my current day, because this page is always relevant, and I can make notes on this page. So I can say, I don't know, do laundry here, and if I now click on my link to take me to my daily page, it will have automatically updated. So there's no need to go into several pages to update. You can do it all from this page. So if I put something on my weekly, for example, and then I click on that week, it takes me to the current week and it's updated. So the dashboard is literally like a snapshot of your month, your day, your week that you can edit, and it will always be up to date and current. So I'm going to show you how you can create a dashboard page like this, or edit this one if you buy this planner. You do just need to make sure that you've got a planner that's completely dated in ZoomNotes. This one is. So what we're going to do is just go up to the layers panel, and you can see I've got a layer called dashboard windows, which I can turn on and off. So when I imported this planner, this page actually looks like this, and then I've just built up these windows around it in ZoomNotes. So I'll start from scratch and show you how I made it. I'm just going to delete my dashboard, and then I'm going to create a new one. So dash, just call it dash for now. And just make sure that's a current layer and that it's unlocked. And we're simply going to be using the shape tool. So that's this one down here on my left. If you haven't got it, go to your spanner and your hammer, and it'll be under drawing tools called shape. You just need to choose a relevant shape. So I'm going to choose a rectangle, and I don't want it to have a fill, so I'm going to make sure it's got no fill. And then I'm just going to draw a box up here, because that's where I want to punch through to my monthly overview. So with my rectangle selected, I'm going to go to back to my shape tool so it brings up the properties of my shape, and I'm going to scroll across to where it says link at the top, and then I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to choose immediate, so that means that ZoomNotes is going to put an immediate link in. It's not going to have a delay on it, so make sure you choose that one. You need to toggle on the keep link on date option. That's the part that always brings in the current day, month or week. So that's why it's so important to have a dated planner so that ZoomNotes knows which week, day or month to show. So make sure you've got that one ticked on, and then you just need to choose today, this week or this month. So you can see if I click this month, where I've drawn my rectangle on my dashboard is roughly where my little monthly overview is going to appear. And then I just need to choose as a window. And then you can see, oops, go back to the shape tool. You can see that it's created this little window through to my monthly page, and if I move it around, you can see it's just going to show wherever this rectangle is. Now, when I created the window, I go back onto the shape tool and click on it to get the properties of my window, go back to link, you can see it's now toggled off keep link on date. So when I created the window, it automatically toggled that off. I just need to make sure that that's turned back on. So that's always going to be pulling in the current month. And it's really as simple as that. So now I can go ahead and make another one down here. And that's going to be pulling through, I think I had it as my monthly tracker. So again, I need to make a window link through to my monthly page. So I'm going to click on my shape, click on the link section, scroll down, choose immediate, keep link on date. I'm going to bring it to my month page. I could choose my daily page because I've got an area there which has got space, but I'm going to use my monthly tracker. Then I'm going to click as a window again, and you can see again that keep link on date has just automatically toggled off, so we just need to turn that back on and then cross out of the shape properties, and then you can see I've got my window there as well. So if you do want to change this afterwards on your dashboard, so if you don't want to see the monthly overview on my planner, you could just go back into that shape properties and just choose a different option. So I'll choose today instead, and you can see that's always going to pull through to my current daily page now. So I would like to not forget that I've got to do my actual daily page. So I'm going to draw a rectangle over my daily section, go back into my shape properties, again go along to link, scroll down to immediate link, keep link on date. So now it's popped up with my daily, that's fine. And then I'm going to choose as a window. You can see now my events have appeared, so it's punching through to my current day, and I'm just going to say keep link on date again, and then I can cross out of the shape. So that's my daily, my monthly, my daily on the top bottom left here. And I'm just going to add a window to my weekly overview as well, just over here. I'm going to click on that one, make a shape, click on the shape tool, go across to link, immediate link, keep link on date, and this time I'm going to choose this week. And so you can see where I've drawn that rectangle on the right hand side, that's going to pull through my horizontal week and that little note section on the bottom of my weekly. So I'm going to choose as a window, and there it is, it's appeared. And just make sure I toggle back on keep link on date. I can cross out of the shape selection And now I can just adjust this box to cut some of the shadow out from the weekly page. Let's move it up slightly. I can just move it around. So once you're happy that you've got your elements in the right place, I can now go ahead and just turn off the borders on these rectangles so that we don't have to see them anymore. So to do that, I'm going to select each rectangle and I'm just going to go to the shape and click on border, and then I can just turn the border off. And I'm going to do that on each shape. Just click on the shape, click on the shape tool, and then choose border and just turn it off. You could do this to start with, but I just find it quite helpful to be able to see exactly what I'm drawing. But once you've drawn them, you really don't need to see them anymore. And then we have it, a dashboard, which will always be today. And if you want to just change your mind at any point, you just need to click on the selection tools, click on the shape, go to the shape tool, over to link, and then you can just change whichever link you'd like to choose. So I can change it back to month now to see my monthly tracker, and it changes automatically. So now these are live links that will automatically go through to my correct pages. And that's it for today's video, guys. Like I said, I will drop this planner in my description for this video, and if you choose to buy it, it will also come with a link to a video which shows you some cool things like adding dates here. I'll just show you on my own planner. So I'll just go to my dashboard. You can see it's come up with today. So this I'll include a video that shows you how to add these dates in. I'll include a video that shows you how to add this little mini calendar which has got hyperlinks, and I will show you how you can use your vertical weekly layout instead of your horizontal to show up your events if you choose. So that's a video that comes with the purchase of the planner. So I really hope this has been a helpful one for you guys, and have a great day. Happy planning.